Hi, I'm Gladys. Welcome to my channel. In this video, let's see what is half wave rectifier. So, what is half wave rectifier? So, this is the alternating current. So, it is sent through the rectifier and we get the DC current. So, half wave rectifier is a type of rectifier which converts the positive half cycle of the input alternating current into a pulsating direct output current. So, it allows only positive half cycle and blocks the negative cycle. So this is the half wave rectifier circuits. So it consists of three main components. They are alternating current input source and one diode and a resistive load. So let's see about the working of half wave rectifier. So when the input alternating current is applied and when the diode is forward biased, it allows the current to pass through the diode. It acts like the closed circuit. So when the diode is reverse biased, the diode does not allow the current to flow. It acts like short circuit. So thus the output voltage consists of only positive half cycle and no negative half cycle. So this is the input voltage and only half of the cycle is rectified. So we get only positive half cycle in the output. So half wave rectifier with capacitor filter, that is with soothing capacitor. So we have a soothing capacitor connected in parallel with the load resistance. The output which we receive from half wave rectifier is a pulsating direct current that increases to maximum and decreases to zero. So but we need a smooth direct current without variations or ripples. So we are using a soothing capacitor to get a smooth output. So output with capacitor filter with soothing capacitor. So this is the input, AC input which we give. So when the input alternating current is applied and when the forward bias and during forward bias, the capacitor starts charging. So when the output current reaches the maximum, the capacitor voltage is also at maximum. So when the output current reduces and reaches zero, the capacitor starts discharging. So when it is peak, it starts charging, and when it is zero, when the output current is zero, it starts discharging. So we get a smooth DC output. So the advantages are the number of components is less and the circuit is simple. The manufacturing and the construction process is simple. It is of low cost. It is very easy to use. Disadvantages are the rectification efficiency is low, transformer utilization factor is low, ripple factor is high, only half cycle is rectified. This leads to power loss. The applications are, it is used in signal demodulation applications, in AM radio, voltage multiplier and in soldering. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.